Sophia Arum, Dean of Students wa Bustema University, okusiima Vision Group, ahabw'okutaho Ultimate University Quiz nabwa Vision Group okwatanisa na Uganda Communications Commission hamwe na Bank of Uganda, babenu batayira universities okureeba nguzaza Ultimate University Quiz y'omwaka ogu aha Bustema University.
A good student in current affairs is a good student in class. And so we encourage that the quiz should continue. It will make students, compete, and they will always look forward to the following year, so that they put Busetema on the map as far as this event is concerned.
Engineering, agro-processing, which are not yet in other universities in the country. Of course, I've mentioned marine engineering. We have launched it. It doesn't exist anywhere in the country, and would wish to contribute to the national development by providing the required human resource.
Walimbwa Innocent omweja har Bustema University wajiroma Ultimate University Quiz omwaka oguhire agambira habirunje byaganyirwemu.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. What I liked about them is the organization. They provided us full accommodation, feeding, and a lot of fun in Kampala. So I loved everything, and
I think I would like to tell you that personally, during my university career, I think answering questions has been something I've done from year one up to currently, but I'd never been through an adrenaline rush like the one I was in during that time, knowing that the 10 seconds you have is what your university is depending on to proceed was always a very different experience, especially that last round where they give you 10 questions and you have to answer them rapidly.
I even got an opportunity I shook the hand of Governor of Bank of Uganda.
Colin Agaba okurugwa mu Uganda Communications Commission yahamye okwatanisa kwa Yona Vision Group okureba ngo abejibihanga baganyirwa cyangwa mu Ultimate University Quiz Vision Group tebekanisa.
I would like to assure participants and New Vision and the partners that UCC is very committed to this cause and will definitely more and more indulge and involve in this endeavor.
Agaba Collins yihona yahabara bejo kwegendesereza enkozesa mbiya za kanyabwenje no kwekingira abashuma abarukuzejunisa.
One, cybersecurity. I know most of you are affected by that. Cybersecurity and online child protection and digital safety. Digital safety has really become a big concern in Uganda. I know any of you has been scammed before?
Max Adi wa Vision Group kandi bembere project eji okureba mu yashorongaje ahabwira beji abari kubabuzaho kandi yabaho obukodyo okubine kwetebekanisa Ultimate University kwizeji okubasa kudisingura.
Some of you who haven't yet joined, you should join, try out, because it is from here that we shall pick out the 4 people who will represent your university. We normally have 4.
Max Adihona yagamba habihembo ebirukuhebwa universities zirukukora byo mu mpakezi ebiru mu sente kandi abeji abarukweta abo mu university kwizi ebibarayihangura.
From last year's performance, we had Gulu University coming in as a champion. You already know that. They won 25 million shillings for the university. Of course, they got a trophy. As you can see, you have their vice-chancellor, their dean, and some of the students and the coaches.
Now, the socio-economic transformation would be incomplete if, for example, Bank of Uganda did not partner with Vision Group to support this Ultimate University Quiz. The socio-economic would be incomplete if Bank of Uganda did not come up to promote financial inclusion.
Bustema University katandika 2007 kandi hata ineza branch mukaga kandi buri branch ina mashomo gayo aganu engineering, health sciences, management sciences n'izindi nyingi.
I want to emphasize that Bank of Uganda is committed to making sure that this ultimate university quiz is successfully conducted. And we are willing, because we told you, we issue legal tender. We are willing to put in money. We are willing to put in money to make sure that the people that eventually participate in this go away with money.
Ultimate quiz y'omwaka ogwo neija kutandika ebiro 7 by'okwikumi era zihendera ebiro 27 by'okwikumi. Ati turi kugambira ebi university zirengera muri 12 zahanze kwegita university quiz egi kandi n'ezindi nituza kongera kuzibasyaho.